What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here, today with great news for the jailbreak on iOS 15. More developments have been published. This video is brought to you by StarSoft KeyPass, a software that allows you to unlock your iPhone lock screen and activation lock on pre-A12 devices, and now they have both Windows and macOS version priced the same. Definitely check it out in the link below if you want to bypass iCloud or if you want to reset your iPhone lock screen passcode if you forgot it. Definitely check it out in the link below, it works for a variety of issues. So a couple of days ago, this user account here, Shina520, posted this: iOS 15 get amfid task control, something in Chinese about task control, and then iOS 15 again. Not a lot of information over in here, but they also posted this, which appears to be some reverse engineered code or something like that. And if you translate the tweet, it says in here, share my method to get task control on iOS 15. Port permission split in iOS 15 and get amfid task control. This is of course related to jailbreaking. They also posted after that this. They said, quote, iOS 15 get root and replace with any proc ucred or kern ucred. So what this is very cryptic and many of you probably will not be able to understand it. They also posted this, which appears to be another snippet of code, either reverse engineered or put together from reverse engineered code. Something like that. Well, the get root is pretty self-explanatory. This function over here basically attempts to get root, which has been particularly hard on iOS 15 as well. So they appear to read their own credentials from the kernel by using the kernel read 64 bits function over here, and then of course they try to write 0 so that they get the permission, and then they return the getUID result, which will be 0 if it's root or 501 if it's mobile. The copy proc ucred function over here is more complicated, and they say here iOS 15 replace proc ucred with any proc ucred kern ucred. Now the credentials for every single process running on iOS is indeed stored at kernel level. The kernel knows what process is this, what permissions should they have, entitlements and stuff like that. And basically using this code over here, you can copy over the process ucred or credentials from one process which has more permissions, for example a system process, and carry them over to your jailbreak so that you can modify areas of the system that normally you wouldn't be able to modify, because now you have the credentials that a more privileged process has. That's pretty good. That's been done in jailbreaks for quite some time now, but in iOS 15 things have indeed changed. Now I don't know how useful this is going to be for the Uncover or Taurine team, but it seems that this developer over here, posted all these publicly, and they also replied to questions and stuff like that. Combined with the fact that apparently they managed to get amfid task port over here, it's actually great. Now I know for sure that the Taurine team also managed to get amfid task port, but I wonder if this can be useful for them. Anyways, it seems to work on iOS 15, but I wouldn't expect it to work on 15.4.1 or 15.4 or stuff like that. They do not mention here. Probably it works on newer as well, but we don't have exploits to test. So yeah, pretty interesting news. Another developer stepped in, and that's interesting, that's great. So yeah, we're going to see what happens. The iOS 15 jailbreak proved to be very hard to do, so once we have it, definitely do not update, because it will take a while before the next jailbreak after this one drops. So I will keep you updated. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, peace out.